Right now we are at one of the most popular markets in the national capital, not just the national capital, but in all of North India. And what we are seeing on the right hand side of where I'm standing is one of the most popular historical monuments in the country, that is Red Fort. And where we are standing right now is also no ordinary market. It is the historical market that once upon a time was one of the most important trading centers in all of North India. Yes, we are at the Chandni Chowk market, but now it's completely revamped. And if you haven't visited Chandni Chowk in the past few years, then it is quite probable that you won't even recognize this new Chandni Chowk that was inaugurated on 12th of September by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was here on 12th September. Now there are several major changes and several minor changes that have been included in the market. So if you come here, the first thing that you will notice is that motor vehicles are not allowed inside this particular market. Now, if we talk about the market, we mean the 1300 meter of this road that goes from Chandni Chowk to Fatehpuri Mosque. And there is a fine that has been placed on entry of any motor vehicles. As you can see here, there is no entry for motorized vehicles from 9 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. in the night. So while the revamping of Chandni Chowk has brought delight to a lot of tourists and rickshaw pullers, it has also meant problems for these people who are in the business of loading and unloading of luggage. We have with us the president of Haath Thela Bell Thela Union of Chandni Chowk, Mr. Hotilal, and we'll try to understand from him that this timing that has been given by the Delhi government, that from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. they cannot do loading and unloading, what exactly that means for these people and how it has impacted their business. होतीलाल जी, एक बात बताइएगा, 12 घंटे तक आप लोडिंग अनलोडिंग का काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, उससे क्या समस्या आ रही है, क्या दिक्कतें आ रही है?
दिक्कतें हमें ये आ रही हैं कि हम मजदूर हैं और मजदूरी का काम करते हैं। क्या हमारे लिए टाइम किस बात का है? कोई हमारी सरकारी ड्यूटी है क्या है जिससे आप हमारे लिए कह रहे हैं कि जी टाइम 9 बजे से 9 बजे तक करो, फिर रात के 9 बजे आ जाओ काम करने के लिए? वो तरीका कौन सा है?
So while the government is thinking about beautification and redevelopment of Chandni Chowk, they should also think about the growth, or rather the employment of these people who have been working here for the past several decades. The 400-year-old market has been completely revamped by the Delhi government. As far as the infrastructure is concerned, remains to be seen what exactly happened. But this change, as far as the customers are concerned, they are enjoying it. With camera person Manu Nair, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.